unbox it. Hey, let's start with this one. Then you want to see? You want to see what we have here? What is this one? Whatever it is. So, okay. This one is chicken maker bloom bloom. Okay, so guys, next week is Chukemeka's birthday. This week, sorry, weekend.
Oh, next week. What?
A week today, a week tomorrow. Sorry, a week yesterday. End of the week is Chukemeka's birthday. So we got stuff for the celebration. So this is for the balloon, Chukemeka's birthday stuff.
Now you go blow balloon, you are shit with the family.
This one is cotton for decoration. This is decorative ceiling.
So I beg of it now.
For the decoration, it's complete. This one is for pumping the something.
Is it balloon? It's pumping the balloon.
For pumping the balloon.
How much is this one now?
Which one?
How much did you buy this one? As it is.
18 pounds or so.
18 pounds. Hey.
This one is for standing. You set it and stand the balloon.
For birthday decoration, 18 pounds. That's too much, man. It's so, like 15,000 naira birthday decoration. How much are you decorate my wedding?
Now I can sign you. Let's go. What is here? Yay! This one is for Chemika's birthday. This one is we'll wrap it for him. His birthday gift. This is toothbrush. This
oh, we got toothbrush now.
Sorry, what's the name? Electric toothbrush. So
electric toothbrush.
It has, guys, see what happened.
But to be honest, wait, to be honest, most of this is emotional buying. You know, when you see something, hey, it's cheap, you don't really need them, but no.
No, guys, what was happening was that they were doing sales and I got them at a very cheap price.
Okay, Mecca,
I don't think I got this one not to. They were doing sales like from their anniversary sales. So that was what happened. I had to take advantage of it to buy it after we test this to make it even working.
I think they charge it. There's a play they charge.
You put back it, huh? You see this one, you like it for Chukemeka. His birthday, this thing. This one is my hair ruffle. This one is watch. I hope it's working.
So is it an Apple Watch?
It's not Apple.
What I ordered was that the watch said the thing don't come out. Did they fix it?
You have to fix it. Yeah, I think you have to fix it.
Okay. Hope it's working.
I hope.
China.
So how do I know if it's working?
Put it on now.
How?
Is it fancy wash? At least if they're no good, then this one will teach you a lesson. You not disturb anybody again.
Whatever. How do I know it's working or people?
Keep it. Not that you know. If you don't know, you put it in the museum. I just got it like that. If someone asks you what's the time, bring out your phone and check.
This one is another watch.
You see? Same thing. How do I know if it's working? The same how do I know if it's working?
Massage. Neck massage. I got you. I got massage. So guys, this one, you just put it at your back, plug it, and it will be massaging you. When I test it, I will know how it works, and then I'll tell you. I got them cheap, that's why. Cervical vertebra massage.
My salary now. My salary is the top.
You're
Gonna catch you, I got you. Gonna catch you, I got you. My salary is the top. I am ready in the top.
This one is what? Okay, glasses.
Let me try this.
I bought a frame so that I'll go to do, when I go to do my glasses. You see, I just bought it. How is it?
It's fine.
How is this glass on me?
Fine.
It's fine, right?
It's coated, like, I don't know.
A tint of blue.
It's
just that I can even see with it though. It's not looking like recommended either.
Let me see.
It's just if I can have my this thing on it. Where should it go?
It's a big distance, but it's not the power.
Yeah, it's not my power now. It's not medicated. It's not.
Hey! Oh! Go cat doya really. Wait now.
See this inner way I got. Nice,
Wait.
Hey, you're the one that's bought my glasses on.
Daddy, Chadudu, take.
Baby, do you think we should go do like this in our life? Because to unbox everything, it will take time. It will take the longer. People don't watch long video. But people tend to watch life better.
So we start everything afresh.
And we can just continue from here with stuff. So we don't like to do this other unboxing.
Go ahead, birthday, yo.
And yeah, the birthday. His birthday decoration. Everything. So all these ones, let's go. Or here we can go live and then be recording, or just post on YouTube. So that's it, guys. Plenty of things. We'll continue the unboxing later. Okay.